Hi guys, so this is the fifth session for Java programming from scratch, and in this session we are going to look how to run Java program by using Eclipse IDE. Okay, so you have to first launch the Eclipse. So I downloaded Eclipse Oxygen, so I launched this. So what's the version you wanted to download? You can go on the Eclipse website and you can download that things. It is an open source. So once you will click on launch, you will find an interface like this will be open. That is the welcome page, and here you can see the tutorials is available, and you can see what are the features that is provided by this Eclipse Oxygen, and you can see the IDE configuration. All those things are available there. If you are interested, you can click on any one of the link and you can go ahead and read that. So let us start that how to create the project and how to run Java program by using Eclipse IDE. So we have to close this. Now we have to click on file button, and then after this you have to go on the new and select Java project. So initially first we need to create a Java project. Okay, so what is the step one? That you have to create the Java project, and here you can provide any name, Java practice, right? And the version that is installed in your system, you have to provide the path in the Eclipse under the Windows preferences section. And once you will type the Java, you will under the search box you will find the JRE, and you have to add your path where your JRE is installed. Okay, so this is my project name. I have to click on next. Once you will click on next, this kind of window is getting appeared. So here we need not to do anything. You have to click on finish. So once you will click on finish, you will find that the structure will be like this, where JRE system library, in my system it is 1.8 is installed. So the corresponding libraries will come along with this project, will be imported over there, and now this SRC folder will be there. So what you need to do, next step number 2, that you have to create a package. So you need to right click on this SRC folder, go to the new and go to the package. So once you will click on package, under the name section you can see the name. Under the name section you have to provide the name of the package. Any name you can choose. The package name must be started with the com.mypackage, right? And no need to check anything, just click on finish. Once you will click on finish, you will find that the package will be created. Now your next step is you need to create a class. So what you need to do, under the package the class will resides. So you have to right click on this package, go to the new and select the class. So once you will select the class, it will ask the name of the class. What is the name that you wanted to give for this class? So we let us take hello world, the name of the class. So there are some options, that is under the stuff sections you can find out that you can check. If you are interested, you can check. If you are going to check this checkbox, public static void main, then automatically once the class will be created, the main method will be available inside your class. And if you will check this options, constructor from superclass, a default constructor for hello world will be created and that will be available in this class, right? So, and there is an options for generate comments. So what you need to do, we are not interested to provide any kind of comments for this class, so we should not select these options. So we are interested to go and select this main method, because we wanted that the main method should be available in my class once the class will be created. So I will click on finish. Once you will click on finish, you will find that the class is created. Okay, so once the class will be created, what is your next step? You have to write one method. I am going to write one method, a simple method, public. The method return type is void and the method name is amon. Under this method I will simply print hello world. Okay, now if you are directly going to run this method, run this particular class, okay, then it will, because it is not going to throw any exception. Basically it will not print anything. Let us try. Go run as Java application. It is not going to print anything because this amon method is not called in main method. Okay, so what we need to do, we have to, because this amon method is not an static method, so we have to create the object. So this amon is an instance method. Create the object for this class hello world. h1 is equal to new hello world. Okay, once the object will be created, what is the object for this class? h1. On this object you can call the method h1 dot, you can see the amon is coming. Okay, save this class and after that you can go ahead and run this. So there is a two options from where you can run this program. One you can see here, run hello world. Okay, and there is another options. You can right click this, go on run as, click on Java application. So once you will click on this, you can see the amon method is getting called over here inside the main method. And once the amon method is getting called, what is the content inside this, what is the execution output for this amon method, that is printed inside the console. Hello world first Java program. I will change this content and I will check that what is going to be happen. Hello world second Java program. Okay, save this program, right click on this window, go to the run as, click on Java application. You can see the output is getting changed. Okay, second Java program. So this is the basic steps through which you can run your hello world Java program by using Eclipse IDE. In the next session we are going to see that how to run the hello world Java program by using a IntelliJ IDE. Thanks for your support, and if you are getting benefited with this video, then you can go ahead and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.